Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I want to bring you an awesome product I just picked up. Not only does it look great, but also will solve a problem that's notorious in the new TLX here. And some of you might be experiencing this issue too. So let me go ahead and get on inside and I'll show you exactly what I just picked up for this. I think you guys will really like it. So a common problem in these new TLXs, some of you guys might be experiencing this, is this center armrest here. It's pretty thin. So when you put your elbow on it, if you drive a lot in your car, it could actually thin the material out and cause it to start sagging. So you'll have some loose pockets of leather in there. So I don't know if you guys have been experiencing that. I haven't, but I don't drive a whole lot. But if you do, it'll make it so it stretches the leather out and be really thin. So I have an awesome product that looks amazing and it'll solve this issue. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up here. So it's from a company called Fresh Carbon Fiber. Awesome product, guys. Check this out. These are 100% carbon fiber. It's a cover that will go over that armrest, will solve the issue, and it looks amazing. If you guys are into carbon fiber, I would definitely check this company out. They have a lot of different products too. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. So check that out. Super high quality, looks amazing. It's a perfect fit. It just slides right over the top of your existing one. So insulation, you just push it on. Even has that slant, so it looks OEM. Looks really good, and it'll solve the issue. So let me go ahead and put it on and show you exactly what it looks like in the car. So check that out, guys. Looks really good. I'm a huge fan of carbon fiber myself. Looks high-end, especially real carbon fiber, not the fake stuff. This is really nice. It's super light. It just slides right over the top, and you give it a nice push down, and it just fits perfectly onto the armrest. Still utilizes the little button. Works perfect, doesn't move. It's not going to damage the original leather underneath. So if you guys are looking for a way to protect it, I would definitely check this out. And I know some people say it's hurts your elbows to put it on, but this is an armrest, so you rest your arm on it, and it does not feel bad at all. You know, it'll save your leather for sure. And it looks awesome, especially if you add the carbon fiber OEM parts that Acura offers. It's like a perfect match. So if you guys are looking for carbon fiber parts, definitely check this company out. There's a link in the description. They have a lot of different parts for a lot of Acuras, a lot of older Acuras, TSX, and Lexus as well. The IS250s, the 350s, the RC. So check the link in the description, guys, if you're looking for fenders, the rear roof spoilers, all kinds of carbon fiber parts. I would definitely check them out. Like I said, it's definitely top-notch quality. I highly recommend them. And then if you use my coupon code Honda John, you'll get 10% off your order as well. So they'll definitely help out. And like I said, it's real 100% carbon fiber. It's nothing that fake stuff. It's real, it's high quality, it looks great, and it fits perfect. So I would definitely check them out, guys. Like I said, and especially in this car, it solves an issue that I see a lot of people's pictures they post online, and the armrest gets super saggy if you commute in the car, drive it a lot. You know, you can either go ahead and replace it and keep doing that, or put one of these on it and it looks very high quality. Okay, guys, I wanted to share that with you guys. I think you guys really enjoy that. I do. I think it looks high-end, especially in these cars. If you're going to add some more carbon fiber pieces, it just ties it all together. And then, like I said, if you have an older Acura or Lexus product, definitely check them out. They have a lot of stuff for those vehicles as well. And don't forget to use that promo code to save you guys some money. I appreciate it. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.